Hello, and welcome to a collaboration between Cars.co.za and Bosch Car Service. We are at one of 120 Bosch Car Service branches around the country. And we've put this series together where we take popular cars and we show you how to maintain them, how to service them, and the cost differential between the dealer network and Bosch Car Service. But today is a little different because I've brought my car. So let's get stuck in and let's see what's broken. Hopefully not a lot.
With Cars.co.za, you can use WhatsApp to chat directly with dealers or private sellers.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to Barry Bowens. He is one of the master technicians here at Bosch Car Service. He doesn't like it when I use the word master. He says I must just say technicians, but I think he's a master technician. Barry, how are you?
Well, in Ciro.
Good to see you again.
Nice seeing you too.
What do you think of my car?
Very nice.
Oh, thank you. Right, so this is obviously quite a special engine. However, if I'm not mistaken, the W204 came in C200, C220D, and C350.
C350 diesel and petrol.
And petrol?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there was a V6 petrol and diesel.
All right. So if you're watching and you don't have a C63 and you have a normal W204, which was sold from 2008 to 2013, you can bring any of your Merc C-Class to Barry and Bosch and they'll look after it for you. So what are some of the common issues with all those engines?
Look, common issues, oil leaks, coolant leaks. The diesels are more prone for the oil leaks, but that varies from car to car. Obviously, maintenance, if it was well maintained, the car will look after you too.
Okay. Now, what's quite interesting about this particular motor is even if you go into the owner's manual, it says for every 1,000 Ks, it will burn 0.8 liters of oil. So do you recommend regular oil changes here, the older the car?
We would definitely recommend the regular oil changes, general maintenance on the vehicle, just to keep the engine healthy and fresh.
All right. When I go test drive a Merc, let's say I'm in the second-hand market and I want to look at a nice W204, do you think they're generally reliable cars?
They are good, reliable cars. They're strong. They're a comfortable car. They're a good family car.
They're quite easy to find on the second-hand market. There's actually lots on our site. So when I go test drive the car and I do an inspection, as a layman, as someone who doesn't have your skills, what is the sort of thing I can look out for? What can I listen for that might give me some clues as to some problems?
So on startup, obviously, if you hear any metallic noise or anything, that will be a sign that there could be timing chain issues or that there is something in the engine that needs attention. Your nose can be a good tool as well. You can smell if there's any oil, you will smell it if it's leaking. Same with coolant. And you can just have a quick squiz underneath the car to see if there is any oil or coolant hanging on the plates. This will also indicate that there is obviously an issue that you might not be able to see from the top.
On the manuals, which were a bit rarer, can you guys do the clutch?
Yes, we can.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay. And I imagine that it'd be a far more reasonable rate than going to the franchises.
I would think so.
All right, great. So maybe let's do an oil change. What do you think, Barry? What's the oil that to go in here?
5W40 fully synthetic oil.
Okay, you got some for me?
Yes, we do.
Woohoo! All right, success. Barry, I've spotted something here that's a bit concerning. Come take a look. What's going on there?
So this is an indication that your coolant bottle cap is failing. The rubber seal is obviously not sealing the pressure anymore. So those white spots is actually antifreeze that has dried up.
Ah, okay. So nothing too serious.
Not too serious, but the new cap is needed.
Can you help me get that cap?
Yes, we can.
And whenever you bring your car into a Bosch Car Service center, they will run a full diagnostics, and it's a really impressive diagnostic system. It links up to data from all over the world on almost every car ever sold and pulls things like common problems. So Barry's plugged the thingy in there. I don't know if that's its technical name. And then the thingy will talk to the machine over there. So this is like fault code bingo. Ooh, I'm nervous. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. One code.
One fault code.
Hey, is it an important one?
That is for your seat control unit.
Oh yeah, that is broken. Cool,
Yeah.
one code. Yay. Look, we have some parts for my car, all from Bosch. I love how serious the German noise sounds. See, this is a fuel filter, but in German it's a Kraftstofffilter. So this is good German stuff for my German car.
That's correct.
Fantastic. Alrighty, so let's get into what makes Bosch parts so special. What makes them different?
They obviously are manufactured to a high standard. You can compare them directly to OEM parts. They're on the same level.
Fantastic, that's really good to hear. And we'll put Bosch part pricing versus OEM dealership pricing so you can see how much you can save by coming to a Bosch service center. Now my C63, these are parts specific, but do you have parts for other W204s, the C200s? And
So we have parts for the full range of the W204 Mercedes-Benz.
fantastic. Okay, so if you've got any W204, you can bring it to Bosch, not just the C63. So I'm very excited because I actually genuinely need wiper blades. And we're gonna get these on. These are the right ones for my car, right?
That's correct.
Okay. And if I'm not mistaken, these are virtually identical to OEM, but they're about half the price, which I'm very happy about. All right, so can we get those on?
Yes, we can.
Good stuff. Oh, I'm very glad I brought my car today. Every day is a school day. Barry has taught me something so cool, and this is something that you can check at home. So Barry, what is that yellow dot over there?
So the yellow dot on the wiper is essentially a wear indicator. When the wiper is new, it will be clear in color, but as the wiper ages, it will turn yellow, and that will be a sign that needs to be replaced.
How cool is that? Okay, great. Can you do it for me?
Yes?
Okay, I never touch my own cars because what will happen is I'll start with one problem and then I'll create a second problem and then I have to pay someone to fix two problems instead of just the original one problem. So I leave it in your capable hands.
No problem.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to Renee Mitchell, co-owner right here at Bosch Car Service. Hello Renee, it's lovely to meet you.
Hi, good day. Lovely to meet you too.
Thanks for being with us. So what's your background in the motoring industry?
Well, my background in the motor industry that like you said, I'm a co-owner. Started off as a service advisor more than 10 years ago. And then I was afforded the opportunity to be a business owner. And that is where I am now.
Amazing. So why Bosch as a partner?
Well, what Bosch offers us is a globally trusted brand, premium trusted brand. Also lots of training. Your franchise, you run independently, you're your own business owner, but the backing of the training, the global diagnostics, the continuous support, and also most importantly for the customer that trusts the Bosch brand.
That's a really cool, a really interesting story there. And what's it been like working with Bosch? Have you enjoyed the experience?
Yes, definitely I have, because look, Bosch has partnered also with some good discovery partners. There is also the different insurance that they partner with, which brings good rubber through our door, and also always keeping up with the most recent training. Like we've now moved to the EV hybrids, that we've jumped on the bandwagon where our guys went for training. It's still going through the process. So, they're always on top of the game when that's concerned, and so we will stay relevant in the industry with them.
Fantastic. I've met, is it your husband, Jonathan?
Yes, he's first my husband, then my business partner.
Are you sure you're not his boss?
Probably sometimes.
Renee, lovely to meet you.
Likewise, thank you.
There we go. So, husband and wife team, and they're ready to look after you and your car. Barry, thank you.
Thank you, Ciro.
I always enjoy coming to work with you and the team. So my car, it's okay.
All good.
Fantastic. fantastic. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. We'll do a couple more episodes like this. If you've just discovered the series, there's season 1 with a whole bunch of cars, really common cars in South Africa, cars that sold very well. We're on season 2 now. Thank you very, very much for watching. It's been a lot of fun. I learned a lot. And check out Bosch Car SA.co.za. And remember, if you are a Discovery Insure member, you can get up to 20% off on your Bosch Car services. Right, be safe out there. Bye.